Very good evening, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. Sometimes the most powerful tools are the ones we forget buried under new noise. In search of so many new indicators, we don't rely upon it and we are in constant search of new indicators, new things, and everything. So, which is buried under new noise, lies a forgotten rhythm, a strategy that once shook the market with its precision. Actually, now also it is shaking the market with precision. Yes, it is from decades back. This is the principle of Gann principle based on the Gann angles and circle strategy. Yes, I am talking about the circle strategy, a method forged with precision at the levels of 0.66 and 0.26 circle levels that don't lie. And when merged with the pi indicator and the first 5-minute trade logic, they form a power packed time based price zone weapon for intraday warriors. I'd given it long back, and you might have seen that video. I don't know whether you might have forgotten that. So I wanted to bring in the same thing again and present it to you how beautifully you can trade on intraday without any hiccups. With conviction, you can trade. This is just not just an indicator. It is a circle of conviction, a framework of discipline, and today we are bringing it back stronger, sharper, and even more relevant. So if you missed it before or you have forgotten its power, watch till the end. Because this might just be the missing link in your trading system. So coming to I have applied this indicator on the chart and I have given it to you many people, this indicator based on the circle strategy. This is the Gann levels and this blue color levels are 0.66. This is minus 0.66 and plus 0.66 and 0.26. Red color one is 0.26 and the 0.26 positive 0.26 and negative 0.26. And this one is the median level. Median level and other dotted lines are pi levels, pi calculations. These are the pi calculations have been merged into this indicator for precision and targets. For example, Nifty yesterday on Monday, what it did, see, you can see you could have taken trade without any hiccup. It came down. This is a circle. This is the 0.66 is coming down and forming a base over here. So I have drawn a circle over here. If I put a circle here and the first 5-minute candle here and everything it is covering and you can see the 0.26 is here. It has been plotted over here. 0.66 is forming as a base for us. Only if the market breaks below 0.66, next cycle will start. Next circle cycle will start. Otherwise, you can trade within this. Actually, what happened in the market? It was an history. It came down as if it is going to break down on Friday's low and made a low of 1 minute 24,554 and then market started climbing the median line, giving once it is inside this, it was a range, and once it started moving up, it was the target for the 0.66 was the target. The market moved higher to 24,733, it became the boundary for your trade. There, market closed near the top end of the from point 0.6 minus 0.66 to 0.66 yesterday. Today it was a clear thing. Market here you can see very clearly. I'll just remove this drawing. You can see the boundary expanded, 0.66 expanded because the next day, coming day, expanded and 0.26 has been plotted over here. And the median line is here. When the price started going, the direction you can see over here towards the median line. It was fall below the median line. Then clear indication that it was a sell. And you can see so beautifully from this level 0.26. Whereas on Monday 0.26 it went up to 0.66, and now today it came down and started falling below this, and 0.66 minus 0.66 acted as a support. So here this was the confluence level of the pi, I mean 0.26 and 0.66 minus 0.26, and this was the thing actually. There was a confluence, and market halted over here and stopped here and climbed above the 0.26. It has come within the range and closed within the range. So beautifully, you could have taken trade immediately. For example, I'll show you, I'll change this one to 700 put option. See, 24,700 put option. It started over here. All the Gann levels are compressed over here. You can see because it is a option. So according to the option, the price came down. Yesterday it was below here, and then it started climbing inside. You can see it is a complete circle over here. I'll put a circle over here and see how even during the day itself, when compared to the underlying, it is showing a clear picture that you should be on the put side. It started moving higher, and now all these levels, circle levels, what are coded were actually became the base. Actually, market started moving higher, and the previous day's level over here, there is a change from the underlying to this. It is plotting like this. It is an option premium option. According to the option, it is plotting, and this was the boundary. This was the boundary, and previous day's circle boundary acted as a resistance, and also Gann levels. Pi levels. Pi range high was plotted 164.4. That is a guideline for you to book your profits, and the market again came down and it tested this level 110 and again rallied intraday around 12 p.m. It gave a move up to 156. So it was a double move. You could have, if you would have missed this trade in the morning, you could have taken this trade because it is entering into the buy zone. This was the buy zone, and finally market has closed negatively inside this zone. Suppose if it starts moving down, a next level will be plotted, and you can see that. And if you are by mistake, if you would have thought it is a buy thing, let me go and show it to you. The call option. What happened to the call option? You can see over here, call option. See, this was the previous day's level. Previous day circle level, and this acted as a resistance, and the price below this was a sell, and the pi levels were indicating targets for you 139 and 90. These were the beautiful levels. It reacted from that level, pi level, and finally it has closed around 121. So we need to see if the circle levels, that is 0.66, 0.26. Suppose if it plots tomorrow like this, around this area, and the market starts moving higher, the first hurdle will become 163 for this call option. And if it is a positive thing, if it is a positive move tomorrow, and it may face resistance over here. So beautifully, you might have forgotten this. Actually, I have given the beautiful strategy long before the circle strategy, 5 minute circle strategy with this indicator. This is Srinivas, one of my viewer from America. He combined this indicator, whatever I asked for the indicator, these are my necessary, I asked him. He made this indicator, coded this indicator, and combined with pi levels, and he had made this indicator for myself. I have given it to many people without charging any money or anything. It is a free of service. Even if you want this, you can message me. Again, you can message me. Let me write it down here. Message me on my email address, nalini43 at gmail.com. Let me make it bigger so that you can see it properly. This is my Gmail address, email address, and you can message me. I can give it you. I'm free to give this indicator. You should understand what is the concept behind it. In detail, I've made a video regarding that. You can go to my playlist. You may get that. But I wanted to review. Actually, I wanted to, make an video again, because memory is memory. These are the things, these are the concepts which never fails. The great person, Gann, he has given the circle strategy, Gann principle, Gann angles. They are Gann time cycles. They are very beautiful. Very beautiful, actually. It is a simple thing. I have not gone to anything, just considering whenever, according to Gann, anything above 45 degree is positive, anything below 45 degree is negative. Based on that, I constructed a circle strategy. Circle as an 180 degree, anything above that will be positive and anything below that will be negative. And it has been coded for first 5 minute, considering the first 5 minute, this one, high and low, and taking the balance, and it has been calculated and it has been coded like that. Mathematical calculations never fails. So friends, this is the beauty of that. You could have taken trade. If I go back, I'll show it to you. Let me be on the index. Let me go back to the index, how it suggested you not to be on the wrong side. Okay. See, here, if I go back on 29th, this was Tuesday. Tuesday, how the market moved higher. From the same, it took, it acted as a base 0.66, and then market here, you can see the market moved above the 0.66, indicating the next cycle is going to begin. So it closed near the top. Next day on Wednesday, that was on 30th July, you can see market ended in a range. It could not cross the 0.26, neither, but it touched, came near the 0.66. It could not go up to 0.66, indicating weakness in the market. You can see the beauty of the thing. It was a gap down for the Trump 25% tariff. The market came down, and you can see market took support around this is a circle. This is a median line, and market moved higher and rallied up to this, and this acted as a resistance. Previous days 0.66 acted as a resistance, and even pi levels are there in there. You cannot see because I've gone back to the history. And again, you can see over here, market, this acted as a boundary. This is a confluence level. This acted as a resistance. Market moved down on Friday. This was a selling. This was a buying. And again, here, you can see, so beauty. Without, actually, there is clarity. You will have clarity on the direction of the market and trend, and also the mathematical calculations behind you. You cannot hesitate to take the trade with conviction, because intraday will be, you will be dealing with uncertainty, because there will be one candle, you can see the candle moving, it came down and reversed back. This type of volatility you are going to see, and when it comes down all of a sudden during 1 o'clock 1 p.m, you won't get panicked, because your levels are there. Levels, it is coming back to the median level. You can comfortably, even if you have not booked the profit, you can hold this if you would have entered here. That's how it is. Precision is there in the market. And see, it came below this median 0.26 and 0.6x has been lifted over here. Lifted over here, this is the base, indicating that it is a base 20 for this week. 24,535 is the base. It has not been violated, and the zero point 0.6 has been shifted upwards. So market has taken support. Suppose if the market starts moving higher, it can, next level, it can go from, if it plots here, tomorrow it can be a positive day. Crossing this level, it can come up to 24,832 also. This is how the beauty of the indicator, beauty of the mathematical calculation. I just simply admire that person, Gann, for nothing. Actually, he has done a great job for the trading universe. He has gifted so much, very good gift he has given to the trading people, trading community. We must salute him with respect. We must have due regards to him. And it is so beautiful if you utilize it with, by understanding the concept. If you utilize this, you can trade better. Even the options will become option trading, option buying is a complex thing. You will not be knowing which direction, whether to buy a put option or a call option. Precisely, it indicates that in the morning, it indicates that you need to be in the put option side. Tomorrow, it will indicate some other thing, whether it continuation of the downside or continuation of the upside, then call option can pop up, come into the picture. You can take the trade. It's a beauty of this indicator. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off. I wish you must understand the concept very well before applying any indicator, how it has been constructed, then only you can trade better. Without understanding the concept, if you start trading, indicators will not have any meaning. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.